How to send the file on WhatsApp for Android. You can send the file on WhatsApp for Android either on a group of persons or to a specific person. Let's see how you can send the file on WhatsApp to somebody. Tap on the person chat. If you did not start the conversation with that person, you can start the chat with the message button from the bottom. You have here a button on the bottom. If you wish to send the file, tap it. You can send a document, a picture, or an audio file to this person. Let's send the document. Tap on the document. Select the document. Tap on Send. Let's send an image to the chat. Tap on Gallery. Select the image. Here you can crop the image, edit it, or even add smiles. After you have done this, you can add the caption and tap Send. Also, you can send an audio file if you have it on the phone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.